Hello guys, today I will show you how to fold your t-shirt a nice way to give you more space in your luggage. So first you flatten it up in a flat surface, then you clear it up by your hands, no problem, like that. Okay, then give it a curve at the end here, like that. Okay. Okay. It must be in a same line. Then you turn it up. Also here we must to put in the same position. Okay. Then you must to fold the sleeves and the half side. You must to fold it half on it. Like that. When you turn it, the sleeve you must to turn it again in this position, like this. Okay, then you turn it in another half, like this. On it. The two sides must to be equal. So I did not make it equal, or now we make it equal. Okay, that's okay. So also on another side, same thing. If you can see, these two sides must be equal in here in this position. Okay. Then you turn it again. When you turn it, you must have, again you must do like this. I don't know what this is called. Put in the comment. Then turn it. The head part must be in front of you. So you must to start turning, roll it. From the beginning you must roll it so tight, because it will be more tighter, more it will be better. So you start rolling it. It must be in same line, everything. Okay. So when you finish rolling, you will see in the end you have a pocket. This pocket you put it here in this part, like this. Also the another pocket you must put in this part, like this, like this. Now if you can see, it will never open. If you did anything with it, it will never open. See, if you have luggage, it will be so smaller. You can put many t-shirts, but everybody do like this, like this. You open it, close it. They do, everybody. See, now nobody will have space. See, it's very big, but to that one is very small. Also, it will not ruin your iron when you iron. It will let it straight. Okay? So bye. Thank you. Bye.